Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna show you guys a really cool trick. But first of all, just want to say that thanks a lot for all the support on my last video. It got so many views and so many good comments, so I really appreciate that. And if you haven't seen that video, make sure to watch that up here right now. And I just want to say that I'm so glad that you participated in my audience poll. It got 80% of people agreeing and 20% not agreeing. Alright, so as you know that majority wins, so I'm gonna teach that cut maybe after 2 or 3 videos. But let's get into the tutorial right now. Alright, so for this video I'm gonna show you guys how to take out 4 cards out of thin air. And here's the performance. So as you can see that I've got a normal deck of playing cards right over here. Okay? So now I'm going to give the deck a shuffle. Just like so. So now that all the cards are mixed up, I'm going to have you choose a card. And I'm going to see that if you're lucky or not. So just stop at any point. And let's say the spectator says stop right over here. So this is the point where the spectator says stop. And let's see if they are lucky or not. And they landed on the King of Diamonds. Cool, right? But I think there's something more cooler than the King of Diamonds, and that is all 4 kings. Just like that. So guys, that's the move, and let's get started with the tutorial. Alright guys, so here's how you do it. But first of all, I just want to say that make sure to stick around, because in the end of the video I'm going to show you guys how to take out 5 cards out of thin air. So I think it's the first explanation on YouTube about this, so you're going to be the first one to learn it. And let's move on with the 4 card move. Let's get started. Before this tutorial starts, I just want to say that please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, so here's how you do it. So we're gonna be using the 4 aces for this whole trick right over here, okay? So now here's the setup. You're gonna take the first ace and you're gonna flip it over just like that, and take the remaining aces and put them face down just like that, and you are done. And then you can start with the trick. So now here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to give the deck a riffle shuffle first, just to convince the spectator. And here's what I did. I gave the deck a riffle shuffle, and when I reached about the top stock, I just riffled it really fast, and they can't see it, just like that. Okay, so now once that's done, you're going to do a riffle force. So you swing cut the cards into your other hand and you get a break, just like so. Now at this point you're going to have them say stop, and they said stop right over here. Then you just take it out and take the cards from the break. So if you don't know how to do it, then I have a tutorial on that, and you can go up here and watch that right now. Or maybe I think up here. Yeah, up here. So now let's get started. Alright, so now once the cards are on top, here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and do a double lift. So you take out 2 cards just like that. So in this case it's the Ace of Diamonds. Alright, so now once the cards are here, here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to hold the cards just like this, right here. Okay, and then you're going to keep your thumb right over here. Okay, then here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to say that ace, cool, right? And then you just move it forward and say that there's something more cooler than the ace. And while saying this, you get break above the top card. Okay, so now once you have that break, you're going to do something that is complicated, so please pay attention. So now you're gonna show this card, and then you're going to do 2 moves at the same time. So you do this move and you do this move. Okay, so let's get started once again. So you have the ace in your hand, and now while doing this move, please tilt yourself just like that so that they can see this card. Okay, so just tilt slightly and do the move. So you do this and this at the same time. So it's as simple as that. So it's really easy to do and a really flashy move. So guys, that's the video, but as I promised, here is a tutorial for the 5 card move. Let's get started. Alright, so here's how you do the 5 card move. So you don't need a 4 aces, you need a royal flush. So now here's the setup. You're going to go ahead and place the jack right over here and the queen right over here. And then you're going to place the 10 right over here face down, and then you're going to place the ace and then the king, just like that. And then you're going to do a double lift showing them the ace of spades. Now this is a really complicated move and I think it's not good for street magic. You can do it for Instagram and stuff like that, but here's how it is done. So you're going to do this move and you're going to do this move. So now once you are here, with the index finger you're going to take out the queen like that. So now you have 5 cards in this deck. So I know it's an wacky motion, but it looks really cool when done. Okay, so I don't usually use this, but I use this for camera magic because it looks really cool, and you can also fast forward it, then you cannot even see what you're doing. It just takes out of nowhere. So that's basically how it's done, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.